is Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and this is Make and Take Tuesday. Today I have a Happy Mail post. This was such a lovely surprise. This is from Laura Clark, who's one of the beautiful ladies who follows my blog and my YouTube channel. And she sent me this jumble box. And look at this. It's from Jumble Box Studio. It says Kathy's Craft Kit. I've looked all over for an address or a website. I even went online to look for a website. Laura, if you're watching, comment if you have a website where people can buy this. She put this box together especially for me, and what a sweet surprise. So I just want to show you because it was so cute when I opened it. I thought, oh my goodness. She said she was going to send me something. I was expecting a card or a tag. So many of you are so kind. You send me cards at the holidays, and you just do so many. I've had people buy me online subscriptions. I mean, you guys are so kind, and I appreciate you so much. But look at this. When I opened this, I was like, I have to share this with my friends. This is amazing. So this sweet tissue paper is in there. Here's a darling shaker card that she made me. So cute. And then she wrote me a lovely note. So that will be on my desk. It's a cheery little spot of color. And all these goodies are in here. So I thought you might like to see. And again, Laura, if you're watching, please comment. This is a whole bag full of butterflies. How cute is this? I mean, I can't even imagine how long it took to die cut all these butterflies. They are so sweet. And I love the envelope pouch. Then there's this adorable string tie accordion journal. Look at that. How cute is that? Isn't that darling? I don't know if Laura made this. I kind of think she made all these things, y'all. And it's just so cute. These are just so me. Then look at this sweet little stack of itty bitty cards with this darling butterfly clothespin, and just bundled up so cute. And there's little envelopes that go with that too. Then there's this adorable box. Good things come in small packages, so I was excited to open this. And look at this. All these wonderful little buttons, little wooden icons, really cute clothes, paper clips, crocheted flowers, rhinestone flowers. This is precious. Laura, the thought that you put into this, everything is the colors I love. It's the themes I love. Then a whole bag full of flowers and foliage so I can play with these. This adorable spool of trims, and these ribbons are beautiful. I don't know if you can see the embroidery on there, but they're really pretty. And rickrack, which is so fun. Then this sweet little vellum envelope is full of pearls and rhinestones. Aren't these sweet? And then this little envelope, yeah, I peeked, you guys. These are little flowers and embellishments that she made. Look how cute. Look how darling. Little hearts, little flowers. These are sweet. Already made. Then this bag has this really sweet wooden bird cage. So she said she put this together as a kit just for me to play with because she knows I love birds and butterflies. So look at all these darling little embellishments and punched out circles. This will be so fun to just put together. Look how cute all of these are. And I'm guessing this is K & Company paper, which was always one of my favorites. Sweet lace trim, little tags. Look at these sweet images. Tea, she's got me teapots. Look how cute this is. I just love this. And all these darling trims that she's punched out. And everything works with everything else. So thoughtfully done. Sweet border. Laura, I'm telling you, if you have a website, I don't even know if you do, but if you do, I know a lot of people who would want to shop there, me included. Really pretty ribbon. Tags. I mean, just look at all this. So sweet. And then there's a whole stack of card bases and envelopes and tied together. Again, you can use the ribbon with the kit. And then these darling little pennants with the ribbon to make a banner, and a whole pack of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Really pretty, really, really pretty. And then the solids to go with it. So this was my happy mail. I'm just blown away that anyone would do something so thoughtful for me. Laura, thank you so, so, so much. I want to get my fingers all stuck together with glue and make some beautiful cards. You got me to a T. These are my colors, my images, my themes. What a delight. So thank you, Laura. I just wanted to share this with all of you so you could see, and maybe I'll make something real quick, like a little tutorial, and come back and we'll, so you can see. I mean, I wouldn't even know. Actually, I'll just post some cards on my blog that I make with this, because if you don't have these supplies, that would be hard for you to do. But really a nice surprise in my mailbox this week. Thank you, Laura. All right, guys, that's it for me on Make and Take Tuesday. I'm going to go get my craft on. This looks like fun. Bye.